A single loose roof shingle might seem harmless at first, yet even one missing piece invites water intrusion during heavy snow. In Niagara Falls, winter storms pack a powerful punch, making roofs vulnerable. Water seeps in, damaging insulation and causing mold to grow rapidly. Surprisingly, over 65% of roof insurance claims in Western New York start with just this small flaw. Imagine a homeowner spotting a loose shingle just in time. By replacing it quickly, they avoid a cascade of costly repairs later. This quick action protects their home from winter's harshest damages. Winter roof protection in Niagara Falls is truly about small actions delivering big savings. Don't wait until the heavy snow arrives. Instead, be prepared now. Contact us today and secure your roof against winter's challenges. Your home's safety depends on the little things you do today. Remember, a tiny shingle issue can lead to major headaches tomorrow. Protect your investment and enjoy the season worry-free. Winter is coming fast. Act before it's too late.